Hi everyone, I Shurojit welcome you all on Economatrix Day channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 6 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now class 7 students, today we are again going to continue with chapter 2 playing with numbers, and we are going to continue with exercise 2.2, and today's part is part 5. Previous parts, that is from part 1 to 4, those who have not watched those parts, I have shared the link at the end of the video. So do watch those parts and then watch this part. Then what will happen? You will understand the concept nicely and it will be easy for you to solve the sums. Now in till our previous part we did up to question number 6. Now we will solve question number 7 of exercise 2.2. So let us see what they are asking in question number 7. Write all prime numbers less than 30. So you have to write all the prime numbers less than 30. Now this is one line sum only, very easy. But before writing the answers, first we must know the prime means what is prime numbers, okay, or what are prime numbers, okay. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, okay. What are those two factors? The number itself and another one is 1, okay. So it has only two factors, the number itself and 1, okay. It has to have, a prime number has to have only two factors, the number itself and 1, clear no? Now 1 has only one factor, 1 only, so 1 is not a prime number. Now 2, if you find out the factors, 2 means 2 into 1, so 2 is a prime number. So all prime numbers, if I write the answer, all prime numbers less than 30 are, so first one will be what? 2. Then after 2, next 3 also I can break it, 3 into 1, so 3 is also a prime number. Now 4, if I break it, 2 into 2 into 1, okay. So 4 is not a prime number. Next 5 I can write 5 into 1, so 5 is a prime number. Now 6 if I want to do 2 into 3 into 1, okay. So how I am breaking it? Like this way, 6, then 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 6, 2 3 1, okay. So 6 is also not a prime number. Then 7, yes, 7 is a prime number. After 7, which is the prime number? 11 is the prime number. Next is what? 13 is the prime number. After 13, what? 17. After 17, 19. After 19, 23. After 23, 29. So these are the prime numbers which are less than 30. Clear no? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29, because after 29 30 only coming, so they are telling less than 30. Clear? So I hope you have understood question number 7, okay. Now let us see question number 8. Write all pairs of twin primes, okay, between 40 and 70. So you have to write the twin primes. So to write the twin primes, we must know what is the meaning of twin primes, okay. What is the meaning of twin primes? Twin primes means prime numbers, okay, two prime numbers whose difference has to be 2, okay. So two prime numbers whose difference has to be 2, okay. That means two numbers, okay, whose difference, consecutive two numbers, okay, means two prime numbers whose difference has to be 2, that is only known as twin primes, okay. Now we have to find out the twin primes between 40 and 70. So let us write between 40, what comes? 41, 42, 43, okay, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Again here 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Means I am showing you how to find out, okay. Then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So between 40 and 70, okay. So here it is 40, 40. So before 40 means between 40 and 70, these are the numbers. Now out of these numbers, which are prime numbers? So 41, it is a prime number. 42 is not a prime number, okay. So we will cross it. 43 is also a prime number. 44 is not a prime number. 45 is also not a prime number. 46 is also not a prime number. 47 is a prime number. 48 not, and this is also not. Now after that, 51 is also not a prime number. 52 is also not a prime number. 53 is a prime number. Then 54 no, 55 no, 56 no, 57 no, okay, 58 no, 59 yes, it is a prime number. 60 is not a prime number. Then 61 is a prime number. 62 no, 63 no, 64 no, 65 no, 66 no, 67 is a prime number. 68 no, 69 no. So which are the prime numbers? You can see nicely these are the prime numbers. 41, 43, 47, and here 53 and 59, and here 61, and here one more is there, 67. Okay. Now twin prime means what? Two prime numbers, okay, whose difference has to be how much? Difference has to be 2. So here you see 41, 43. What is the difference between 41 and 43? 2. 43 minus 41 is 2. So you got one answer. All pairs of twin primes between 40 and 70. So one pair you got it. What? 41 and 43. Okay. Now 43 or 47? No, because the difference is not 2. Then 47, 53? No. Then 53, 59? No. 59, 61, yes, 59, 61, see 61 and 59, you subtract, you will get the difference too. So another pair also we got 59 and 61. So I hope you have understood question number 8 nicely. Now let us come to the next question, question number 9. How many composite numbers are there between 60 and 90? So they are asking us to find out how many numbers are there. What numbers? Composite numbers. So the answer is very easy, but little bit rough work also you have to do. They are telling between 60 to 90. Okay, let me rub the twin primes. Twin primes, the previous sum, it is already over. So between 60 and 90, how many composite numbers are there? So first of all, you must know what is the meaning of composite numbers. So composite numbers are which now are what? The composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay, prime numbers 2 factors. Okay, composite number more than that, that is only composite number. Except 1 is also not a composite number, as well as it is not a prime number also. That also you must remember. So between 60 and 90. So we will write here 61, 62. What are the numbers coming in between 60 and 90? Okay, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Only up to 89. We have to take in between 60 and 90. So 60 we will not take, 90 also we will not take. In between 60 and 90, 61 to 89. These numbers are there. Now out of these numbers, which are prime numbers? So if I can find out which are prime numbers, like 61 is a prime number, okay, then 67 is also a prime number, then 71 is a prime number, then 73 is a prime number, after that 79 is a prime number. So if you can struck off the prime numbers, then you will get the what? The composite numbers. Then 83 is also a prime number, then 89 is also a prime number. Now which are left? They are only composite numbers. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So how many are there? 22. And this is the answer. Clear? Now students, let us come to question number 10. Write the following numbers as the sum of three prime numbers. That means this sum 43, I have to show what? As a sum of three prime numbers. Okay, this also I have to show as a sum of three prime numbers, and this also I have to show. Now for that, what I will do, if I want to write answer, okay, 43 I have to show as a sum of three prime numbers. Okay, something plus something plus something. Okay, now prime numbers are what? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So these are all prime numbers. Okay, more are there, I am not writing. But when you will show that 43 is a sum of three prime numbers, then here you have to take the prime numbers which are less than 43, not more than 43. So if you want to take it less, then let us take here, from here the smallest one we have to take. Okay, so 3 only. So if I take 3 and 5, or if I take 3 and 7, or if I take 5 and 7, like this way. Okay, so two small prime numbers you have to take. Okay, so if I want to do one graph, so first one is what? Number A is what? 43. Now suppose if I take 7 and 5, 7 and 5 is how much? 12. So if I subtract, so what comes? 1 and 3. So 31 is also a prime number. Understanding or no? So I can make it 31 plus, then I have taken 12. 12 means it's a combination of what? 5 and 7. So I can write plus 5 plus 7. See, 31 plus 5 is how much? 36. 36 plus 7 is how much? 43. And this is the answer. Clear? Now next one. Number B, 59. Now if I want to take 59, same way 59 I will write if I want to take this combination only and subtract it. So 7 comes here and here 47. So 47 is also a prime number. So I can write like this way, 47 plus 5 plus 7. So this is the answer. Okay, anyway you can write 5 plus 7 plus 47 also you can write. Now next, number C, answer. Okay, so 67. Now 67, how we will do? Same way. So if I write 67, okay, and if I want to subtract, okay, suppose 12, if I want to subtract, what comes? 5, here 5. But this is not coming a prime number, it is coming a composite number. 55 means what? 55 means 5 into 11 into 1. So this is not a prime number. Okay, then this combination is not working. That time let us take another combination. Suppose 67, and if I take 3 and 5 together, 3 and 5 is how much? 8. So if I subtract 8, understanding or no? And if I subtract 8, then I have to borrow here, this will become 5, this will become 17. So what it comes? 17 minus 8 is how much? 9, and this is 59. So 59 is a prime number. Clear or no? So can I do it like this way? 59 plus 3 plus 5. Clear or no? 59 plus 3, 62, 62 plus 5, 67. So this is the rough work. The rough work is very, very important, that how you are solving the sum. What is the concept? Clear or no? So I hope question number 10 is now clear to you all. Okay. Now students, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and even relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos you will get the notifications first. Now we will move on to the next question. Now class 6 students, let us come to question number 11. Write all odd composite numbers less than 50. That means you have to find out all odd as well as composite numbers, okay, and they should be less than 50 only. So now first only I told you 1 is neither a prime number not a composite number. So we will make it cross. Now which are the prime numbers? Let us see the prime numbers, okay. So prime numbers what? 2, 3, okay, then 5, then 7, clear no? Then 11, then after that 13, then 17, then 19. So these are, we will cross it out, okay. Then 23, after 23 what comes? 29, then here 31, then after this what comes? 37. Now these are all, okay. Now from 41, then 43 and then 47. So these are the prime numbers, clear no? Now so you came to know except 1, don't take 1. So what are the prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in between from 1 to 50 there are 15 prime numbers, okay. And what are those prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, okay. So you must know that up to 50 there are how many prime numbers? There are 15 prime numbers, okay. Now prime numbers too we will not take, and 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number also. And then we have to take only what? Odd composite numbers. So here rest are composite numbers, but in this rest composite numbers there is even also, odd also. So we have to take only the odd one, even we will not take. So let us cross the even. So this is also even, 4, then 6 is also even, then 8 is also even, 10 is also even. So what is left there? Now if I want to do write the answer, first one is what? 9. Can you see or no? In the first row 9, then 12, it is also even, 14 is also even, then what is left? 15, then 16 is even, then 18 is even, 20 is also even. So what you will get here? 15. Clear? Are you understanding? Now next one, here even, 22 is even, 24 is even, 26 is even, 28 is even, 30 is even. So what left? 21 is left, then after that 25 is left, then after that 27 is left. Clear or no? Now here 32 we will cross, 34, 36, 38, 40. So what are left here? You can see 33 is left, then 35 is left, clear or no? Then 39 is left. Can you see? So easily I am finding out. Now we will cross the even one, 42 is even, 44 is even, 46 is even, 48 is even, 50 is even. Then what is left? 45. So let me write down 45 and then what? 49. So how many you get? You are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the odd composite numbers less than 50. Clear or no? So these are all the odd composite numbers less than 50. What? 9, 15, 21, 25, 27, 33, 35, 39, 45, 49. I hope you have understood question number 11 nicely. Now let us come to the next question, question number 12. What it is telling is 8128 a perfect number. So to find out this one, is it a perfect number or not a perfect number, we have to know what is perfect number. So what is a perfect number? Perfect number क्या है? ठीक है? So a number will be a perfect number when what? When sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number, 2 into number. Okay. So this is the formula of a perfect number. Any number can be a perfect number if provided if the sum of all its factors will be equal to twice the number, whichever number you take. So for this one, if I want to find out the answer 8128 is a perfect number or no, we have to find out the factors, okay, factors of 8128. So let us find out the factors of 8128. So let us do it here, 8128. So it will go with 2, 2 4s are 8, then it will not go 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again it will go with 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go with 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. Again this one will go 2 5s are 10, then 0, 2 8s are 16. Again this will go 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again it will go 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. And after that 127, it will go with 127 ones. Clear no? So these are the factors. So now we will write the factors, okay. So first we will start from the smallest one. So 1, then so factors of 128 are what? 1 is there, okay, then after that 2 is there. Now you combine, already I have taught you how to find out all the factors. 2 into 2, it will be 4. Then you take 3 2s, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then you take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how much comes? 16. Then you take 5, okay, 5 2s, 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Then you take all the 2s, 2 into 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So 64. After that, what comes? 127. After that, what comes? 254. So these are the factors. Clear no? Then what comes? 508. Then what comes? Let me write it here. 1016. Then what comes? 2032. Then what comes? 4064. And then the last one, the number itself, 8128. So these are the factors, okay. Now I have to find out sum of all its factors. So what will write? Sum of all its factors, okay. Got it? Sum of all its factors. So what are the factors? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 127. Let me do it down. Plus 254 plus 508. Clear? Plus 1016 plus 2032. Let me change the pen. Okay. So 2032, then plus, okay, 4064 plus 8128. Okay. Let me make it little dark so that it will be easy for you to understand and you can see it nicely, okay. So these are the, I have added, okay, 254 plus 508 plus 1016 plus 2032 and here 127. Now this is coming how much? That we have to see. Okay, then we have to add this one. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 16, how much? 31. So up to this much we have done. Okay, now you can see here 32, 64 is there. So let me write 32, 64 together. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 3, 3, 6 plus 6, 12, 127. So then we have done up to this much. Now what is there? 127, 254, let us add together. 127, 254 and then 508. Okay. Now 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 8, 26. 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 1016. Okay, so we did up to this much. Now this 1016. Again I have to add 1016. Then 2032. Then 4064. Then 8128. Okay, let us add it. So 6 plus 6, 12. 13, 14, 18, okay, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 8, 26, 2 carry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 1 carry, 1 and here 1, 2 and now here 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. So 1, 6, 2, 5, 6. So you are getting this one. Clear now? And now we have to find out twice. Okay, that means twice 2 into the number. Number is what? 8128. Okay, 2 into 8128. So what you will get if you multiply, or if you don't want to write 2 into, you can write like this also, twice 8128. Okay, twice 8128, or you can write 2 into, like that also you can write, which is which you feel good, you can write. So twice 2128 is what? So you have to multiply. So 8128, if you multiply with 2, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5 and 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 16256. Clear now? That means twice of what? Twice of 2128. You can write here one off also. Twice of 8128. Okay. So you can see it is coming same. Okay. So now what I can say? Therefore, sum of all its factors. So what are the factors? Okay, these are the factors. It is coming equal to what? Twice of 8128. Okay. Hence, okay, what? 8128 is a perfect number. So we can say yes, it is a perfect number. Okay. Hence you can write, or you can write yes. You can write yes also. Yes, comma 8128 is a perfect number. And this is the answer. Clear now? So you have to first find out sum of all its factors, and then you have to check it whether it is twice of that number or no. If both are coming same, then only you can say sum of all its factors. Okay, or you can write sum of all the factors. Sum of all the factors, you can write sum of all the factors of 8128 also, like this way. Means its, I am referring this its. Its means what? Which number? 8128. Okay, so sum of all the factors of 8128 is what? This one coming, this one 16256, and the twice of that number is what? 16256. So both are coming same. So that's why when it is same, it is matching the definition of perfect number. So we will say yes, 8128 is a perfect number. Okay, I hope you have understood question number 12 nicely. So वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।